Why we select Wujiang as a prime location? Because we believe in the Wujiang. This is a national industrial park zone. It's the most important economic circle in China. Suzhou Wujiang plant was designed based on Industry 4.0 concept. We organized high bay warehouse, which is fully automatic, and also in the production area, we organize a fully automatic production like a blending process, like a filling process. And all these are based on the most advanced technology. Our Suzhou Wujiang plant positioning to produce high-end products. That means including for automotive like engine oil and transmission oil, and also for industrial application like hydraulic gear oil and the other machining oil like metalworking fluids, and also for corrosion protections, as well as forging products and coatings application. In China, we have a multi-layered customer base. All these kind of customers, basically, they have a different buying behaviors you need to fully understand. If you want to be successful in China, fast decision-making process is most important. I can say this can be a lesson, also can be a success story.